your jazz training was basically Luigi method, no?
Yeah, well, we
With
took
your-
from Luigi.
with- yeah.
We chose Luigi because we were so inspired about his music. I mean, his movement
story.
and his story. From
Yeah.
he went into a coma. We all know that he
Oh,
He was
he was
actually
comatose
almost
for so many
paralyzed.
years. He was paralyzed
no.
And then
way.
from a car accident.
And then the doctor said he could never move anymore. He started with just the figure. That's why. And then slowly I said, if I can do this, if I can move my fingers, I can move my arm. And then slowly started moving. That's why his movement,
Isolation.
it's
Yeah.
like for every movement, you know.
So
it's very
we took classes
inspiring.
from him, and of
Yeah.
course, Americans are all very tall, you know.
So he loved us.
Dalawang Oriental,
He loved us.
two Asians at the back, come forward. Oh,
Wow.
We'd never actually stay at the back. We would come forward. And well, he's a little bit cross-eyed too, but you know, yeah, the moment he starts moving, believe you me,
Yeah.
you forget about how old he's so good. He was so
and then we
good.
asked him, "Who do you think we should see?" Because we wanted to have not just his style, we wanted another style. Then they would call it the rock jazz, and then he gave us a name
in Los Angeles.
in Los Angeles. It was Joe Tremaine.
Oh, Joe Tremaine.
Yeah.
He was the one.
He used to have a studio
Oh.
in North Hollywood. I don't know if it's
Yes.
if that's
Oh,
yeah.
he was the
I
one
went
who
I went to
took
that
us
studio.
Yes, because Luigi's style is very, but Joe Tremaine was the best.
And then in
Yeah.
the evenings, we met some friends. In the evenings, we would go to all the disco houses. And that's where we would step right, step. Wala pa kasing video, no? Wala pa tayong
Yeah.
telepono.
Oh.
You would remember new
Style,
steps.
style,
This is the style. Different style, yeah. So we
That's
got
that's interesting because at Penthouse we did the same thing. Whenever any of us would travel, we would
Yes.
just go to the clubs and learn steps and then
That's right.
bring them home. And because you're right, those days there was no
best.
YouTube, there was
Yes.
nothing. You just kind of memorize it, you write it up,
Yes,
and
but
bring
Penthouse
it back.
walang kopyahan.
But
Oo.
you guys
Oo.
were the greatest.
Yeah.
You were very,
Yeah.
very good.
You
My
also set up the
goodness.
trend of the
Oh.
Latin.
Yes.
Mga trend makers. You know, so what can we do? You know, you set up the trend.
Yeah. And nobody still can do what you're doing until now.
Okay.
Nobody.
Nobody did.
We were
Believe
lucky.
Nobody.
We were lucky.
Nobody.
You were lucky too, you know.
Yeah, a lot of it is timing as well, you know. But it's interesting going back to what you were saying about how you choreograph. People ask me all the time, "What's the process of choreographing?" And I say there's no one size fits all. Like you said, between the two of you, one of you would choreograph. On Penthouse, it was very collaborative.
Collaboration, yeah. All of
But
us.
we would argue at times, but many
yeah.
times we kind of got into, we kind of knew who had more strength in one style or one type of music, and you would do part, and then open to suggestions to other people. We bring them in, and so it was an interesting dynamic for all of us.
All right, and then at the end, you get the best from everyone.
Yeah.
You see?
We kind of push each other,
Yes.
but we're open to other suggestions. So
Same with us. You know, we always did that. Let's do 3 turns. I said no. I can only do 2 good turns. I want 3 turns.
Oh, we would argue and fight, believe you me.
At the end,
But
you know,
then, yeah.
we all commit. We all get to what is this? No, to agree. But we were all born.
Yeah.
We were all born to disagree because we always had. We have
And
dancers have their own artistic mind, and we have the choreography also up in our
Yeah.
brain. Tama?
And
Yeah,
until now, we still do for the seniors, of course. You know, we do a lot of the reunions and all that, and then we have a group here that dances, and so we encourage them to not only to just move or just dance, but also to have the choreo so that they'll remember the movement,
yes,
all that, which is very good.
It's good for the mind, especially now because all of a sudden there's so many people suffering from dementia. During our time, I never heard
No,
of
was not. Yeah.
diba? No,
Oo.
parang anin lang, okay lang. Pero now, friends,
Oo.
Yeah.
friends, our age, younger than us,
Yeah.
suffering from it, you know. So maybe because the pandemic has something to do about it.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, we gotta learn how to fight it, and we always say keep dancing because
Yeah.
music is the best for your soul and for especially the dance steps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Memory work.
Memorizing
Yeah.
steps is good exercise. What you're saying is really music to our ears because we have the same advocacy. That's how we're going to keep going, right? That's what they say.
Going.
Dancers dance, right?
Now
Actually,
that we're talking about the
that's-
dance challenge, it would be nice to invite Terry and Larry to give Penta our YouTube channel the Terry and Larry style of dancing challenge.
Yeah.
We
They
would
could do
love
a
to do that.
video and then we could show it on our YouTube channel and people can try and dance it.
Oh, that would be so nice.
Okay, so we moved back and forth Manila to Dumaguete because we have a vacation house there. We got stuck there during the pandemic, and in the process, we formed a group of 16 women who were not doing anything because remember everything stopped, and we danced our heart out, and we really became. And then when everything was back to normal, we did so many shows to raise funds for foundations in Dumaguete.
Dumaguete.
you know?
Yes.
So it was
yes.
such a beautiful
The last one we did
experience.
was a December to remember.
Yeah.
But we do have good memories, guys, of
Yeah.
of the dances that
And
we
Penthouse.
did and performances.
What do you guys remember about Penthouse? It'll be interesting.
And house was because, well,
Yeah.
Archie Boy Lacson
Archie
was-
boy.
Archie Boy. I
May
haven't
Volta.
heard him called Archie Boy in forever.
Archie man na siya,
Archie
Archie
Boy
man.
forever.
she used, my sister Dita, the older one, who used to dance the Latin, kahirap days pa yun sila.
Oh my God.
Kami,
Chito Feliciano, the
Wow.
boy,
No way,
the
really?
boy, Ronnie,
Oo.
the boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were our idols when we were growing up.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sure. Yeah.
But then it was a trend. You were also a trendsetter. You see, everybody would watch and everybody would follow your dance. It's so funny. You go down to the disco places, and the young ones enjoy our music. Most of us took jazz lessons for the technique, and because we are body form, our lines have to be right. But nowadays, the dancers
Oh, yeah.
Can
They're
dance,
amazing also.
and they've not had any proper training.
Yeah.
It's
True.
amazing how they can be so good at what they do.
Dancing now is much more athletic than it ever was. I mean, it was
They
athletic
do
during our
cartwheels,
time,
they jump up,
but
yeah.
nowadays,
So it's very difficult. But then you say, wow, they can really dance.
Magaling.
Yeah.
Oh, kung sa magaling.
Oo.
Ang dami nila magaling ngayon.
But well, Filipinos are really very talented to start.
Yes, natural
yes,
ability.
very musical.
Very
right?
musical.
Oh, yes. Especially nowadays.
But
Even-
it's so funny how
yeah.
the Korean choreography has
Also.
overtaken
Yeah.
even the US.
Talking about Korean choreography, if you follow them, they do a lot of head throws now.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
The band I follow do a lot of head throws with
Yeah,
their,
I got a lot of those.
a lot of them.
Put the hands.
Yeah, coming back.
So
But
how
the
funny-
Koreans undergo very rigid training
Oh,
before they
wow.
even
More
before
than
they even start.
more than
Yeah.
8 hours a day.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And their diet also, no?
Yeah.
Diet. That's why they're also lanky. But it's nice. Nice. But I think it's
Yeah, they look good. Yeah.
I'm so happy that dancing is still being what is this, no?
No, and I'm really very happy that we have this show in Araneta. It's about
Yeah.
time. And
Yeah.
we're still here, to imagine that, Lal. After all these years, we're still here
Yeah.
to
To join.
to join this
And be able to
show.
dance.